Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I decided to order some more hair type products off of Amazon. Absolutely love the bun that I got on Amazon. If you guys want to check that video out, I will make sure to link it up here. Love the bun, wear it all the time, but I saw this, it's been advertised everywhere on Instagram and stuff. Of course, I went on Amazon and it's way cheaper there. So yeah, it is the fringe or bangs with the straight bun. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see what this is about. I ordered it in color 2. It says it's sweet bangs. Of course, there's not a lot of instructions on these types of things. Let me see what it says. There's some information on carrying instructions in regards to shampooing. Not really any instructions on how to apply it, but it does say do not use curling iron or curling kits. This is, synthetic, and synthetic is plastic, so we can't do that with the, melts and stuff. And then here is the bun. So I got this a couple days ago. At the end of the week, my hair is a big frizzy mess. So I usually pull it up at the end of the week anyway. So I figured let's go ahead and try this little bun and see how it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Let me see what it says. It says how to apply. Put your hair up in a bun or ponytail. Place dome over ponytail. Insert comb to secure it. That's all it really says. So basically, you on your own, sis. Why is it all tied up? Let me take the stuffing out. So it looks like my bigger bun that I wear. It's got the little drawstring on there. You guys can see that. You can pull it tighter and it makes the bun tighter. This bun looks a little, I don't know. She looks a little sad. I might have to like mess it up a little bit. Fluff it out a little bit. Definitely will cover my hair, but there's not a lot of space in there. So if you have a lot of hair and you ain't bald headed like me, then this might not be enough to cover, but quit all that meowing. So this is gonna work on my hair because I'm bald headed. Now let's go ahead and open up the bangs. The bangs is what I was mostly worried about because they look a little, I don't know. Of course in the picture she looks cute, but we all know pictures are deceiving, especially when it comes to Amazon products. So these are the bangs. So in the picture it shows the bangs, like the edges are a little longer than what they are in real life. Those may need to be trimmed a little bit. I do know how to cut bangs. I used to wear my hair straight all the time and a little ponytail, a little side swoop, a little bang, a little fringe, looking, emo or whatever. So I do know how to cut my bangs. I slick my hair up and we're gonna go and try to apply this. And yeah, I'm sort of nervous. The color, it'll match pretty well, but like I said, most of my hair, Okay, so we know the clips work at least. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start slicking up my hair and we will get started with applying this bun. Okay, I got everything slicked up, so let's go ahead and put on this little bun. Yeah, this definitely, if you have a lot of hair already, it's not gonna fit you because she's snug on me and I don't got barely any hair, so that is something to be mindful of. The color matches pretty well, so that is good. Okay, so the bun is on. Now let's go ahead for these bangs. This is what I'm nervous about, is these damn bangs. So I guess they got the little clips. So there's 3 of them there. So let's go ahead and open those clips And oh, you can see in the front, the clips are going the opposite way. So I guess that's good for gripping hair. So let's go ahead and sort of hide it under the hair. And pray I don't look foolish. That over that. Okay, so I can tell it looks like the bangs and the hair are really not the same color, but I don't know, they're sort of cute already. I think they're a little long, but the pieces are a little longer here on the side, so they're longer than what they look like. Let me go ahead and see if I can pull this back just a little bit further so that it's a little shorter. It's not only in my face. I'm not mad at it. What do you guys think? And that's just straight out of the box. So, I mean, that's sort of cute, ain't it? I haven't worn my bangs like this in so long. It looks so weird to me. The bun definitely needs to be roughed up a little bit. I like a messy bun. So there's not really any shedding. It's like I've been messing with this bun and the hair is not coming out, so that's good. The bangs, the hair is not really coming out. Definitely an easy way to wear your hair straight or a straight look without frying your hair, because my hair was fried with these bangs that I was wearing. Sort of impressed. It's sort of cute. I may have to wear this to work tomorrow and they ain't gonna know who I am. Let's go ahead and get a look at the back. I don't know what the back looks like. Y'all let me know if it looks crazy. As long as everything is covered up. Of course, you guys can wear the bun down lower. You can wear the bun wherever you want. I just sort of like it up high. Super comfortable. Yes, love it. It's not a big old fat fail. So this is super affordable. I know it's sort of nerve-wracking to buy some stuff online, especially on Amazon, because you never know what it's going to look like. Hope that this helps you guys decide on maybe if you guys are going to purchase something like this, that it eases your mind a little bit, that you're not wasting, you know, any money. Okay, anyway, I hope you guys like this quick little tutorial. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I will link this little bun and its bangs down in the description box below. So if you guys want to check it out, then that will be linked down there. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. You ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing with these on. Who is she? Who is she? Who is she? Hope I don't look like somebody's auntie. Somebody's grandma or something.